Hello and welcome back to a World Coin Hunt. This has been designated World Coin Hunt 92. The coins in this one are older world coins, and some of them have damage like you're seeing at the moment. This is a portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It's an Australian 1 penny coin from 1957, so it's not overly old, but it is quite badly worn on that side. On this side we have the kangaroo. You also have the year and the country, as well as value, and the mintage for this 1 penny coin from 1957 is 15,878,000. The second coin, again, it's got quite a damaged face here, or obverse, and this obverse is from a 1919 coin. That's Australian, and that's a 1 penny again. It's George V. On this side you have the portrait of the king, and then on the reverse we have 1 penny and then some other information. You have the value, the year and the country name. The mintage for this 1919 coin is 5,810,000. As you can see, they are quite badly damaged, these ones, but they are readable still. This one is from Belgium. It's 1904. It is a hold coin, and it's 10 cents or cents. It's from the reign of Leopold II, and on this side you've got the crown monogram of Leopold. On the other side we have the value over this side, and you have a flowering vine on the other side. The mintage for this 10-cent coin from 1904 is 16,354,035. I believe that's the right way up. Again, another badly damaged coin. This is from French Indochina. It's a 1 cent coin from 1938, and it's hold. On this side you have 2 female allegories, I think it is, on this side. Yeah, 2 female allegories on this side. You can't make them out very easily because the coin is so badly damaged, in the sense that you've got the verdigris and also a differential rusting type thing on the side. On the reverse side you have Chinese writing around the hole. You have the country name and the year. The mintage for this coin is 15,499,000. This one is Her Late Majesty Queen Elizabeth II. It is from Jamaica. It is a 1 penny from 1955. So you've got Her Majesty the Queen on that side, and on this side you've got the name of Jamaica, you have the coat of arms, and you have the year. The mintage for this 1955 coin is a low 960,000. This is the first of the half-decent older coins. This is a France 10 centime coin from 1854. On this side we have Napoleon III, and you also have the year of 1854. On the reverse, let's get the right way up, you have the value, which is 10 centimes, and you have the French Empire Eagle. The mintage for this 1854 coin is 13,626,631. That ends the first row of coins. We now start the second of 3 rows with a portrait of George VI. It's an Australian halfpenny from 1949. On this side you have the monarch. On this, and on the reverse side you have the kangaroo, the country name, the value and the year. This 1949 halfpenny has a mintage of 22,310,000. Next coin was George VI's father, George V. This is also an Australian halfpenny coin from 1927. On this side you have the King's portrait and also the year, I believe. And then on this side we have the value. Can't see which way up it is. Oh, that's that way. It's a halfpenny coin. We also have the country name and the year. The mintage for this 1927 halfpenny is 3,072,000. Do excuse me, I've got a bit of the snuffles today. This one is quite a badly worn coin. It's a Cypriot coin from 1826 and it is a 1-cent coin. On the one side you have the country name and on the reverse you have a shield. You have a shield, the value and a ship. But you'll have to believe me on that because it's virtually worn away. They have no mintage figures are for this coin. However, this coin is so badly damaged. It's a really quite. There's a shield on that side. You can't really see the ship or any other details very clearly. Oops. I've lost. Oh, huh. I thought I've lost some coins there. I haven't. They're here. That's the French coin. There we go. There's the Egyptian coin. This is a coin from Egypt. It's Farouk the First was the king at the time. This was minted at the Heaton Mint. On the reverse we have the value of 2, and that's 2 millimeters. This coin has a mintage figure of 4,500,000. Again, it's quite a battered coin, and one side isn't as clear as you'd like it to be. This one is a French coin. Is it? Or is it an Austrian coin? Whoops, excuse me. Sorry about that. I seem to have lost the coin. That last coin was a 2 hella coin. It's a 200, it's a 2 millimeters coin. Hang on 1 second please. Be back in a second. Okay, we can continue now. We found the coin. It dropped on the floor. This is a 2 hella coin from Austria. It's from 1903. It's from the reign of Hans Joseph II. We have a headed eagle on the one side. Again, this is not very clear, this coin. I think that's the headed eagle side there. And on the other side we have the value, the year and a vine. The mintage for this coin is 26,983,000. And the last coin in the second column, this is the third from last coin, is from France. It's a 10 centime coin from 1941. It shows Marianne, the year of the country on this side, and then on the reverse we have the value over here, and we have the wheat and wheat stems and the country name. The mintage for this 1941 coin is 235,875,200. Again, a very horrible coin. The last but one coin in this hunt is from Turkey. This one is from sorry, wrong way round. This coin here is from 1910, from the Ottoman Empire, or as Turkey as we know it today. It is, you have a beaded circle, and on the reverse you have the year 5 of the, and this seal. So you have the value there, and you have the seal on that side. The mintage for this Ottoman coin is 2,576,000. And the final coin for this hunt is an Egyptian 2 millimeters coin from 1924. The gentleman that's on the front there is King Farouk I. On the reverse we have the value, and in Arabic value, and also Arabic writing. This 1924 coin has a mintage of 4,500,000. That ends this hunt. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please give me the thumbs up. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, could you think about doing so? I am trying to improve my subscription level this year, and neither of those things will cost you a penny to do. For those of you having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do a minimum of 4, but usually at this moment in time I'm doing 5 videos a week. So hopefully you'll find something that you enjoy watching. And until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-da now.